Hello. Here we go. Unboxing My Smile dental grade teeth whitening kit from Amazon. Link below. So, what we got here? Boop, 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 boop. A lily bug from Lilybug at Crumpster 2.
Hi.
Alright, so what we got here is failure to communicate. My Smile, it's a kit, comes with that. This is what it looks like when you arrive. You take this card out. This is your teeth whitening chart and directions. Tells you exactly. I don't know, I've never seen it before. If you want to join, you can come over here and join. My Smile. You start off matching your teeth color. You pick your number, I'm assuming. And then you follow the directions, which we're going to do. And then I'll do an after photo, but it's going to take a few months to do the after photo. You get 3 syringes and a UV light. That basically, this was like $32, free shipping. You know, UV light. I've used these before, so I know how these are. Oh, you gotta pull that thing up. Oh, tough guy, huh? You know how to deal with tough guys. All right, there we go. Don't look at it. You don't ever look at it. So what you do is you take the gel, you put it on your teeth, you wait however long the directions tell you to wait, and then you use the UV light. That's the kit. And I will get back to you on if it works or not. So, there we go. This is not part of the kit, but these are the same. No, I think they're the, well, maybe the same manufacturer. I'll put the link to these too. These I got because I previously had got one of these Crest. They're like $70 lights. And the light literally died when I got it out of the box. It was like just dead. So if you want to get, and they don't last very long anyway. So if you want to get these Crest strips or these Crest strips, and you should probably just go on Amazon and order one of these little $7 lights, because these are rechargeable. You can charge these with a USB. Let's see if it actually does it. And they say they're super bright. Black lights help your teeth get super white. When I was younger and I lived in Hawaii and was a lifeguard and stuff, everyone at the lifeguard place would always say smile while you're in there because it will whiten your teeth. The gel just amplifies it, but there you go. This is what these look like. So you'll put the strip in your mouth, put it in there, and then while it's in, you go, This isn't battery. These batteries cannot die because it plugs in and then it charges. So, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, any charger you want. So, I don't know why I got 2. I thought it was only 1. I'll put the link below. I think it was $15, but you get 2 of them apparently. So if this one was to die, I always got this one, and this one is probably a little bit brighter. So I'll get back to you. I'm only going to use this to start with, and then if that doesn't do a good job, we're going to move on to these.